that. Alright, so the key's in, and position number 10. So we're going to be cutting. In position number 10, we're going to make it a 3 instead of a 2. That's a 3 cut. On that side, three cut on that side. Three. Let's see if that works. Oh. Nope. Still nothing. So that's not right. Oh. So we're gonna go back. So now we're going to try the next cut, which is going to be, the only difference is going to be the second cut's going to be a 2 on both sides. The second cut's going to be a 2. So we're just going to start off like that, put the key in, like that, just like that. The second cut's going to be a 2. So 2, we're going to flip it. Hope you can see 2. Alright, we're going to see if that works now. Nope, still not it. Alright, so we know that doesn't work. So now we're back to trying the next cut on the chopping block. So that one was that one, the second cut was a 2. So now we're going to go with the first cut, it's going to be a 2. So it's going to be that one right there with the check marker by it. So now we're going to change the first cut to being a 2. So we put the key back in. Clamp it down. Now we're going to make the first cut a 2. So go to position number 1. The first cut's going to be a 2. 2. We're going to flip it. Oops, gotta get around the one. Alright, now we're going to see if that's it. Nope, still nothing. Nope. Alright, so now that we know that's not the code. Now we're going to try the next one on list. So we tried that one, so now we're going to try this one where the second cut's going to be a 4. You see the second cut there is going to be 4. So we're going to put this back in like that. Oops. Again, like that, clamp it down. We're going to second cut. It's going to be a 4. Take it out. Flip it over like that. Put it back in. Second cut's going to be a 4. Alright, now we're going to see if that works. Alright, second cut would be a 4. Let's see if that works. Ah, got it. So that's the key code. So we just figured out the key code to this 2004 Chevy Avalanche. Flip it over, make sure it works on the side too. Booyah, that's how that's done. And I'll show you that it works on the door as well, again. See? Alright, so that's it. That's how you make a key for a 2005 Chevy Avalanche. Thanks for watching.